What's going on, guys? This is Paper Click Crypto, and welcome to our second ICO review. But first, I want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor, so it is important that you do your own research and due diligence before jumping into an ICO. Today, we're going to talk about Omnitude. So, Omnitude is a UK-based ICO. As you can see, their pre-sale is already closed and sold out. They put a note here. A big thank you to everyone who participated and made it such a success. If you missed out, don't despair. Our main token sale will run between 28th of March and 25th of April. Register your email below for information on how to take a part. Want to know more about Omnitude? Read our white paper. So this is their white paper. You can see the white paper on the homepage of their ICO website. Now I want to let you see about a video that explain about Omnitude. So look at this one.
Welcome to Omnitude. Omnitude is a smart platform that connects blockchain technologies to existing e-commerce platforms and enterprise systems. Utilizing Omnitude, businesses can deploy blockchain technology rapidly and securely in a cost-efficient manner without the need to replace their current systems. If you do business online, things are going to change. Blockchain is set to transform big and small companies alike in the biggest shake-up of the internet since the internet arrived. The Omnitude project was born out of an existing enterprise e-commerce agency, which has spent the last 10 years grappling with the thorny issues of system integration, security, and ease of use for both businesses and customers alike. Omnitude will tackle some of the biggest issues facing online transactions today. Through the advent of blockchain technology, we've now been able to identify solutions that help us reduce e-commerce fraud for both businesses and customers, create single customer identities to enable a quicker, safer way of transacting online through any Omnitude connected site, deliver transparency in manufacturer origin and real-time order tracking, and implement fast, cost-effective blockchain integration of existing e-commerce platforms, warehouse management systems, and enterprise resource planning software. And this is just the start. Omnitude is much more than a proprietary system of blockchain integration apps. It's an ecosystem. This is e-commerce transformed. Omnitude won't just build our own blockchain technology apps to help businesses big and small adapt to this new world. We'll also create a platform to grow and develop a community of like-minded people. A community where we'll share our ideas, technology and expertise. Where we'll provide support for the ongoing development of new blockchain technology, while encouraging and enabling its application across a huge range of sectors. Our aim is to make the online world more transparent, more profitable, and more secure for everyone. To create this, we're launching our eCom token. This will enable us to do several things. It allows us to crowdfund and underpin our Omnitude ecosystem. It allows merchants, customers, suppliers, and developers to participate in the Omnitude project. And it creates incentives and rewards for ecosystem participation, whilst securing the system at the same time. Because security is important to us, Omnitude will be built on Hyperledger Fabric. Hyperledger brings with it excellent levels of performance, scalability, and trust. Its architecture allows us to develop our platform safe in the knowledge that it's underpinned by one of the most trusted systems in the world. We're excited about the potential of Omnitude and want you to join us in the next part of our journey. Interested? Visit us at omnitude.tech to find out more. There you can download our white papers, learn more about us and join the community. If, like us, you believe this is an opportunity to get in on the ground floor of something truly unique and revolutionary, come and join the family. Omnitude, the future of e-commerce has arrived.
So that is the video, guys. I think it is a very good idea of making a blockchain ecosystem in the e-commerce industry, while they put Omnitude at the center of everything. Imagine, guys, that if you're a seller, when you already have your own e-commerce system for your business, by using the Omnitude, by using the Omnitude system, you can create an app or system where you don't need to replace the system that you use for your business. Another one is you don't need to create different profile from different stores, because as long as this stores is within the Omnitude system, the profile of sellers and consumers, including the reviews of what kind of seller you are dealing with, will be seen in all store that is connected into the Omnitude blockchain system. So if the team managed to succeed, and I hope so that they will, Omnitude will be a lot bigger than we can imagine. Because as you all know, the e-commerce industry is already $1 trillion industry this 2018. So that is just wow. So what is Omnitude? Omnitude is a radical concept in blockchain ecosystems, not only creating our own blockchain solution that integrate enterprise systems, supply chains, and e-commerce platforms, but also having a community of app developers that can imagine, build, and deploy blockchain solutions to the real-world problems. So what does it achieve? So Omnitude enables business to solve problems in ways that were not previously possible without the rise of blockchain technology. So there's some problems before the blockchain in the e-commerce industry. So how Omnitude will achieve it? Omnitude will help achieve the creation of transparent and accountable manufacturing and supply chains, a significant reduction in e-commerce fraud, the enablement of a single customer identity for use across any Omnitude's connected e-commerce site. So that's what I said earlier. Blockchain integration between enterprise systems such as ERP and WMS, and many more solutions from Omnitude and the community built as Omnitude apps. Who is behind Omnitude? Omnitude is a blockchain project born out of an existing enterprise e-commerce agency. So this team spent about 10 years putting up one of the major problems Omnitude will fix: integrations. So this is about Omnitude is about integration of existing e-commerce systems to their own system. So you're going to integrate your system without changing anything. So we've spent most of our time integrating and reintegrating systems. We know this sector inside and out. We have a pool of staff who knows this sector very well, and more importantly, we have a lot of enterprise customers who cannot wait and get their hands on Omnitude. Okay, so you'll learn more about Omnitude, about I think their about page, how it works. So guys, the Omnitude, as the video explains earlier, the Omnitude uses the eCom token in the Omnitude ecosystem. eCom token will be launched with the Omnitude and the OmniLayer platform. Merchants, customers, and suppliers will require eCom to participate in the Omnitude system. So the coin that is Omnitude is selling now is called the eCom, or like stands for an eCom or e-commerce token. So this eCom token is Ethereum based. It's from a Ethereum platform, and eCom will be the utility token for the Omnitude platform, where the merchants, customers, and the suppliers will need an ecom to participate in the Omnitude system. So this ecom token where you were going to buy for the early investors out there, the ecom token will be used as utility token. And as we all know that this 2018 is the year for the utility token. So expect a price hike. Price will rise to this ecom token after the sale or after the platform of Omnitude will launch. Omnitude will be built on a top hyperledger, that open source global collaborative project hosted by the Linux Foundation. So what is hyperledger? A hyperledger is a permission blockchain protocol which enables business to consumer and business to business transactions. So a hyperledger is an architecture provides core blockchain services in which the Omnitude system is built. The Omnitude ecosystem will be made for a variety of entities, including those mentioned above: merchant, customers, suppliers, couriers, and affiliated or referrers. So okay, number one, a native method of settlement between parties to access ecosystem resources. Merchants will make payments in ecom. So we're going to use the ecom to other ecosystem participants to use on Ledger Omnitude solutions for supply chain provenance, delivery cycle, transfer data, single ID, single petition, and proof of interaction. Okay. Customers will make payment to merchants using ecom, cryptocurrencies, and fiat. So fiat is our, if you don't know what is fiat, it is a currency of your nation, or I mean like US dollar or euro. That is called the fiat. An incentive for ecosystem participants to operate and secure the ecosystem. Okay. Then number three, a means to raise funds for long-term development of Omnitude. So ecom will be used to raise funds for the. So ecom will be the fuel. It's like if what the Omnitude is the vehicle, and the ecom will be the fuel, so that Omnitude will live. Okay, that's it, guys. So this is the structure of the system. There's an enterprise resource planning or ERP, customer relationship management, content management system, WMS, everything. The center will be the Omnitude platform. Everyone needs the Omnitude. So if you're an e-commerce, if you already have a system, you're going to apply for Omnitude. So everything is here. Now we're going to talk about the team of the Omnitude. Here is the team. As I said, this is a ICO based from United Kingdom. So this is a CEO, Chris Painter. When you look his profile in the link IN, so he's a well-known man in the financial world. So more than 500 plus. He's from Britain, United Kingdom. And then another founder and advisor is called, his name is Robert Belgrave. And these guys, this is Robert Belgrave and this Chris Painter, is a well-known people. They're well-known in the financial world. I've seen their. If I will going to show you their bench ICO score about this project. So it's a whopping 4.8, rated by 15 experts. So you can see here, this is the ratings, the people. Really, this is from Jason Hong. So perfect. All of them are perfect. Really a convincing team with the project success. Great project and very good team. I'm very impressed with this project with top ICO watch. From I don't think that the project is a new or unique, but the team is strong. So there's more of the team. Yeah, maybe there's someone who maybe is Daniel. Daniel don't believe that this project is unique, but I think it's revolutionary. It has a strong team behind it, like most of these people says here. So they have a pretty good score, 4.8. So more on the team. I think the team is very good. So no questions asked about the team. They're made of 9 developers. I mean, 7. They're consultant or blockchain consultant. It consists of about 20 people in here, including the advisors. So we're going to look at the roadmap. So Q1 2018 financial business case. So you can go to their website and look to their roadmap. And next is the token sale. Okay, it's nothing in here. Now we're going to look how big is the community of the Omnitude. When we look at into their Twitter account, they have great followers, great number of followers here. 10,000 plus followers on Twitter, and they are very active. Posted 3 hours, 5 hours ago, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. They're very active on their Twitter account. Then I'm going to look to their Facebook. They're not so much made so much effort, but their Facebook page is just around 1,000 people following in it. But still, it's very active and it's quite good numbers. And when we look to their Telegram, okay, their Telegram, they have 16,242 members already. And knowing that they're just in the pre-sale, and I think based on the review of experts, more and more people will know before the crowd sale, because their crowd sale will start on their main crowd sale will be on 28th of March. That's more than 1 month from now. It's quite a lot of time. They could reach about maybe 40 or 50,000 in the Telegram alone. So that's it, guys. That ends my review about Omnitude. Thank you for watching, and please, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, and you can check my blog. I also make blog brief review about Omnitude. You can check at surfile.com. I put the link below. And for the white paper of Omnitude as well as their ICO website, I'm going to also leave a link below this video. So take care always, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.